वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावूद आनी भलायकेन. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाव टू मेक fish curry masala powder, and you can store this, but if you want a bigger quantity then all this has to be into double. This is for half coconut of curry, half coconut. Okay, so for that what we need is some Goan chilies or button chilies. So I have taken, like, it depends on your spiciness. Okay, so I have taken around 8 of this. You can take less spicy than 4, it up to you. So I have taken 8 of this button chilies, which is from Goa Masala market. Then these are around 3 Kashmiri chilies which I have broken into and kept. The color is like this because it is dried in sun, all this. Then what we need is 1 small teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin. Here you can do less or more, it's up to you. Cumin seeds. Then we need onion powder, because we are making this powder and keeping. In case if you are making, then it's easily available in the general store or the supermarket, onion powder. So this is like half onion powder. In tablespoon it is 1 tablespoon. Then this is half teaspoon of ginger powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So this all ingredients we need to make our fish curry masala powder. Later I will show you after grinding it, because this has to be grind fine, and I didn't have my grinded, so I wanted to show you the chilies. That's why. Okay, so here our masala is ready.